What's going on, YouTube? I am back making another video. I am the beautiful Carolyn Mitchell, and welcome back to my channel, The Natural Way 365. And today we are going to be germinating some seeds. So I'm going to show you guys how to germinate some seeds, or at least show you how I do it in a quick, effective way that works for me. So we're going to need some paper towel, water, seeds of course, and some Ziploc bags. Right, I should have had it open already. Okay, so first we're going to do is write the name of the seed that we are going to germinate. Let me put this right here. So I'm going to do corn on here. Corn germinates really fast and it sprouts up really fast. So this is a perfect time to do some corn. Even a couple weeks ago would have been good too. So you're going to tear your paper towel, lay it down, and I don't have that much mini corn kernels left, so I'm just going to do all of them, and then I'll get some more, because I probably need about 25 of these. I want to have a lot of corn this year. It's so much you can do with corn, from making cornmeal, eating corn on the cob, corn silk. The corn silk is so good for you, your urinary tract system. And then you're going to wet it, and it doesn't take a lot of water, just a little bit. You can wet it this way and then slide it into your bag, or slide it into the bag and pour a little water in it. And then I'm just going to pick up my paper towel. Seal my bag, and there's enough air in here already, and then they have the water from the seeds, and then you're going to store this in a dark place for about 3 days, but maybe like tomorrow you'll see a little sprout pop up. So that's the corn, and now we're going to do cucumbers, and you really do the same thing for both seeds. But all of these seeds are going to get germinated the same way. So these are cucumbers. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share. Follow me on all social media platforms, The Natural Way 365. So we're going to take another paper towel, just like we did the corn, lay it down. Put our seeds on here. This is a new pack, so, and I probably won't do all of these. I was unsuccessful with my cucumbers last year, so I'm interested to see, well, there wasn't that many in here, how these turn out. I had put them in the ground too late last year, and they didn't have enough time to grow before the frost came. So now that I have my seeds spread out, I'm going to fold the napkin in half again, like before, over the seeds. And then I'm just going to pour a little bit of water. I kind of poured a little too much water on the corn, but it'll be fine because they soak up, they drink a lot of water. You can even use a little squirt water bottle and spray your paper towel that way. I just didn't know where mine was at right now, and I really want to do this video for you guys because spring is here. Not officially, but it will be soon. We spring for, I think, on the 18th, maybe, or somewhere around there. I'm outside. I can't control the sounds around me. But yeah, now we're gonna do some watermelons. And I'm really excited to be doing more fruit this year. Last year we did a lot of vegetables and herbs. This year we're going to incorporate more fruits into our garden. My goal is to be able to go to the grocery store as an option. I don't want to have to go to the grocery store to get food, or I don't want to have to go to the store. If I go to the store, I want it to be an option. So I do want to grow my own things. Okay, I'm only going to do like half a bag of the watermelons. There's quite a few in here. And these are sugar baby watermelons. And then we're going to fold it in half. Wet it. And slide it right on in. And remember, you're going to store these in a dark place. Alright, now we are going to do, okay, all the packs are done. Okay, so now I have some seeds that I've been collecting just like from the grocery store, from produce that I've been eating. So in this little strainer right here, there's pomegranate, cherry, not pomegranate, papaya, cherry, apple, and date seeds. I've never grown any of these, so I'm curious to see how they germinate and how they grow. So these are the date seeds. And I'm gonna germinate these the same way, but this will be a first time for me. It doesn't take long to germinate seeds at all. I think onions, to me, take the longest. They take a really long time to germinate when you do onions from seed. But I do have some onions growing in my garden. I'll show you guys momentarily. Alright, I have a couple of cherry seeds. So I'm going to put them here. I only have 3 cherry and 2 apples, so I'm going to put them in the same one. If you can identify your seeds, it's okay to put them together. But and a cherry and an apple seed looks nothing alike, so I think I'm safe there. Alright, so these are 3 cherry seeds right here. And this is an apple seed here. For anyone in the world who doesn't know what an apple seed looks like. There they go right there. Oh, looks like I have some grape seeds in here too. That's why it's really good to kind of identify seeds, because I had a grape seed in here too. So I'm going to germinate that with this as well. Alright, so I have 5 apple seeds, 1 grape seed, and 3 cherries here. So let me write grape. So I have 1 grape there. I'm so excited for the spring. Okay. Like that. Now I'm not going to do all the papaya seeds. I'm just going to do a couple to see how they turn out. And then I'll probably take one of my empty seed packets and pour the rest of them in there just to store them for like a seed bank. Because you want to keep some seeds. You never know. You have to get up, run, be on the fly, grab your seeds, take them with you. You can't grab the garden, but you can grab your seeds. So let's do the papaya. Alright, so now that we have the seeds germinated, germinated seeds, like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all social media platforms at The Natural Way 365. Again, I am the beautiful Carolyn Mitchell, and I will see you next time. Peace.